Hello guys, in this tutorial we will record a JMeter script from an iOS application. As a requirement for this tutorial, our iOS device and the host of the JMeter recorder must be connected to the same local network. I will start by generating a new JMeter certificate. Like a web applications, a certificate needs to be generated then imported to the mobile device. Let's launch JMeter and create a new project based on the recording template. The first time we start recording, a certificate.crt file is generated automatically under the bin folder. The newly generated certificate now needs to be copied to the mobile device. A certificate is valid for 7 days. Now that we copied our certificate, we will install it on the iOS device. Next step is to configure the proxy on our mobile device. Let's jump back to JMeter and start the recorder. For this tutorial we will record the API calls coming from the Airbnb iOS app. Now it's up to you to clean up the script and correlate the user's session. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have a question and/or a suggestion, please leave a comment.